Hi guys, this is Yorito and you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating with the workshop. Here I have an empty shelf and I would like to store a lace fabric in it. I have a basket with tiny ribbons and some more pieces of lace. If you love what I do, I will be happy if you subscribe to my channel. Now I am adding a cabinet. It's full of tiny things one needs for the art. Let's put here a silk fabric. It's always good for an evening dresses. I have a lot of different colors here. And here goes satin fabric. It's a good choice for linens. Let's add a tiny vest my fairies are working on. Here I'm gonna put a lot of knitting yarn. Knitting has the magical power to make me feel cozy. This is a good place for a sewing mannequin. There is no such thing as too much knitting yarn. So let's add some more. And here I have a fairy dress. Now let's turn the lights on and enjoy the magic.